Mark that corner, drive it in.
The crew begins erecting the foundation walls. These aluminum panels lock together precisely. The crew pours the ground floor slab. A laser screed levels the surface. Floating brings moisture to the top. Platform framing begins on the slab. The crew works in a precise rhythm. Wall panels rise around.
Easy does it, swing it over, hold it right there. Let's start with the drain lines first. Gravity dictates the rest. Let's get these outlet boxes set at 300.
Fitting insulation requires precision. Bats fit snugly to fill every cavity. This ensures max. First, the compound is applied. Tape is embedded to prevent cracks. A final skim creates a first, roll out the underlay. Tape all the joints, maintain a small gap at the wall, tap the planks to lock them in. Every professional paint job begins with thorough preparation. A PVA primer seals the porous plaster. Follow. Wall unit supports the units at precise height and bolted together. Finally, a The electrician begins the electrical fit-off, connecting every outlet and switch with precision. We start with the shower recess, is essential.
Plumbing systems are fully compliant. This residence is ready for occupancy. Here is your complete record.